Omenahotel Kauppiaskatu in Turku. There's also another Omenahotel here. I have built the elevator at our terminal before. In 1979 and March in 1999. It's 41801. This retake because this was a part of the Hotel Hamburg repairs before. This is a second retake actually because I wasn't sure that if it was going to be demolished or not. So I want to take a retake or a last ride. Sixth floor, 8 persons, 30 kilograms. Is built by Kauppiaskatu, maintained by Kone. And the first floor was locked off before, but now it's open. And the second floor used to be open, but now it's locked. And also, you can only go to the sixth floor with that code. Before you could go every floor with the key card, but the floors gained one were locked off with normal key. Let's go to my room. Machine room for elevator modernized with evergreen fixtures. And it doesn't go to the sixth floor. That's